Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's pretty exciting, as you might have guessed from the hat. This is an all Trixie Cosmetics video. I can safely say that's my favorite brand. The packaging, formulas, always killing it, never misses, legend, icon, the moment. I recently got everything in their birthday release because they're celebrating their 2 years as a company. So in honor of that, I thought I would do like a pink look today and kind of use as much Trixie Cosmetics as I possibly could. Also, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you the bag I got and a few other little accessories that came in the birthday collection. If you want to see how to get this look right here, then keep on watching. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, actually, first things first, I'm gonna address the elephant in the room. I'm trying to contour my nose. I know it looks really bad. I have confidence that I can turn around. This is not finished, but this is like the early stages. I'm trying to like it. Anyway, so we're gonna use our cute new mirror from Trixie Cosmetics since we are doing as much. It's not gonna be a full face of Trixie Cosmetics just because like I needed to put on foundation, you know? I think I have everything they've ever released. I don't know if that's like a good thing or if it's like psychotic, but anyway, so I'm going to start with the eyes. My look today is going to be very pink, very Trixie. I just really want to match these new accessories that they came out with for the birthday, and I have new pink boots. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna do pink eyes, probably pink on the cheeks, pink, all of it. We're going to use the beautiful Bottle Blonde palette today, and of course we're going to be using these shades right here. Now you can see this ridiculous nose. I'm embarrassed, don't look at it, okay? I'd rather have this on my nose than you to see that line. Okay, so I have a fluffy brush from Morphe, and I'm going to take the shade Miss Kim. I was really bad the last video at blocking the whole, like I'd be doing my makeup like this, and then I'd be editing and be like, why am I like this? This mirror is so good. I'm really into it. Okay, and then we're gonna take the same brush, and I think we're just gonna go right into Me Day. I think we're just gonna like keep building up this color till it's the richness that we want. I'm gonna take a flat brush, same Me Day shade, and just pack that on right here. Like a really tiny fluffy brush with Me Day. We're just gonna use the shade all over. And we're gonna make sure it's right where it needs to be. This eye's gonna be like kind of simple actually. Then for the middle, since we're trying to use as much Trixie Cosmetics as possible, I think I'm gonna go on their glitters. I have all the glitters. I think I want to do marshmallow, like a halo eye. I don't know, this is crazy, but this pink one right here is so beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a really pretty pink. It's called Babydoll, and I think I want to like put that on the liner. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna use this hot pink gel liner in the shade Let's Go Party from Beauty Creations. I'm also really bad at doing my liner on camera, so let's say a prayer. I think that's the line, and I think they're pretty even. So I'm using NYX glitter glue. I really want to try the Anastasia glitter glue, but every time I try and get it on Sephora, it's sold out. So it's not my time, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna use this gross brush. I'm not even gonna show you, it's disgusting, to put some glue just right there. Cute. Now this is gonna be the harder situation. Maybe I'll place the glue with the angled brush and then apply the glitter with this really tiny one. You guys, this is the real test. I think if we do a section at a time, it'll be more manageable. should have just stuck with the only glitter liner. I think it still looks cool. I'm just being hard on myself. So I'm gonna bronze, not with Trixie, but... And this might not be a Trixie bronzer, however, I just watched her YouTube video from today, and we literally used the same bronzer in the same shade, so... Now, I'm gonna use the Trixie Cosmetics blush brush. It's my favorite. To keep with the pink theme, we're gonna use Summer of Love. So I'm gonna start with Girl on Girl and then move on to Side Chick. My camera overheated, but I didn't do anything except for the blush like I told you and put on some lashes. I picked these giant lashes to be like, whoa, you know, like Trixie Cosmetics, and they kind of cover up all of that glitter liner work that I did, but that's okay. So let's continue with highlight. I'm gonna use the highlight from the Summer of Love palette in the shade After School Special. I forgot how much I liked this highlight, actually. Ooh, it's like a really nice glow. It's not like chunky, you know? And now I think we're just gonna do the lips. Gonna wear Stacy since they just relaunched it in a vegan formula. Here she is. She's very pink. Like, wow. I'm gonna go in with like a brown tone liner. Is that even? No. But in the spirit of Trixie, does it need to be even? I guess that was a read. I'm sorry, Trixie, if you ever see this. I think this looks pretty cute. I might add a little more blush. Also in the spirit of Trixie. I feel like Trixie always wants more blush. But I'm gonna go do my hair, put on my outfit, and then I'll come back and we can talk about the rest of the birthday launch that they just did. Be right back. And here's the final look. I had to throw on my beret from Trixie Cosmetics, obviously. And I have, drumroll please, pink boots. This is not the most flattering angle, but they're so cute and they match the purse. Speaking of the purse, let's get into what was released for this little birthday collection. Okay, so y'all already know it came with this mirror. So cute. One side is magnified, one side's not. Very nice quality. This is like so freaking cute and it came in a very nice soft bag. But here is, I think, the pièce de résistance of the collection. This bag is so freaking cute. I'm gonna use this every single day. I also am dying laughing that it came with this freaking keychain of baby Trixie. It's so cute though, and it's really big. Like, look at it. Look at it, big. Just the heart cutout is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. And then I also got, well, I got everything. Shocker. The wallet, which I have been using ever since I got it. But I have my cards in there. It's very good size and it has like a little wristlet if you only want to take your wallet with you somewhere, which is wonderful. And then they released the vegan version of Stacy, which I'm wearing on my lips today. Oh, and they relaunched the robe, but I have that, as y'all saw. If you have not gotten one yet, you really need to get one. Like, I'm not joking. It is the softest robe and has really good pockets and a hood. You guys, just... it's a wrap. So happy birthday, happy anniversary to Trixie Cosmetics and to Trixie Mattel and everyone on the team at Trixie Cosmetics. Just thank you for having such a wonderful brand and just a great presence online. It's a very welcoming company and I just like that they really seem to enjoy watching other people make looks with their makeup, and it just makes me as a creator feel seen and appreciated, and I don't know, it's really nice. You guys should go check out their stuff. If you've never tried anything from their brand, you are missing out. And also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do that before you leave. If you liked this video, or if you love Trixie Mattel or Trixie Cosmetics, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what's your favorite Trixie song, look, literally anything. I'm gonna talk about it because we love her. That is all I have for today. As always, I will be back next week with a new video. But until then, have a great week and I'll see you next time. Bye!